did he get? Oh, I think it's one of those. Is it one of the lizards?
No, it's, well, that or a snake. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it is a snake.
That is crazy. I can't believe I missed him getting it.
What is that? That's not an egret. What are they? What are those long legs they have in Florida? You see them on along the ocean flying. That's a good. I don't know how he's going to eat that.
Oh, he just keeps shaking it. I wished I'd gotten his little dance before he got it.
Beautiful bird. All the wonders of nature. I mean, it's amazing the variety of creatures in this world.
Yeah.
This friend of mine says we're a menagerie for the universe, which I think is probably true.
Yeah. Oh, so gross. Oh, poor guy. Oh no. Yikes. Just put him out of his misery. Do it, do it, do it. Yes. Whew. Tickles all the way down. Mmm. That was good. Nature. It's beautiful and it's disgusting.